Earth may not be ready for the next supersolar storm, new research. An ancient and extremely powerful solar storm had hit Earth 9,200 years ago after scientists discovered it. During their new study, scientists are worried that the next supersolar storm may hit Earth anytime and indicated that we may not be prepared for it. Unknown ancient solar storm existed. The unprecedented solar storm 9,200 years ago was first revealed by scientists. In their new study published in the journal Nature Communications on January 11, 2022, the 9,200-year-old solar storm is described as an extremely powerful solar storm that left permanent marks on ice buried underneath Antarctica and Greenland. As per Live Science, the study's scientists collected their data underneath Antarctica and Greenland, where they detected large amounts of cosmogenic radionuclides in the ice cores below Antarctica and Greenland. Cosmogenic radionuclides are formed when large amounts of a solar energetic particle are expelled by the sun during a solar storm, as per the new study. Also read, solar storm incoming, bursts of solar winds bound to pass Earth. The solar storm happened at the wrong time. The scientists conclude the ancient solar storm hit Earth during a solar minimum, a phase of the sun's 11-year solar cycle when solar outbursts occur relatively low. Unlike the solar minimum, its counterpart the solar maximum is a time when magnetic activity is very active in the sun's corona, the outermost atmosphere of the sun. According to NASA, the solar cycle pertains to the 360-degree movement of the sun's magnetic fields from north to south and vice versa. For every 11 years, these magnetic fields are produced due to the movement of the sun's electrically charged hot gas. NASA says the solar minimum is the beginning of the cycle while the solar maximum is the peak of the solar cycle. Scientists worried of the next supersolar storm. The findings in the new study that the ancient solar storm occurred at an unexpected phase of the solar cycle had scientists worried. The new study led to the understanding that supersolar storms can happen regardless of the sun's solar cycle phase. Following the new study, there is a growing concern from scientists that the next supersolar storm can hit Earth at any time when we least expect it. The scientists say Earth is not ready yet for the next supersolar storm, as per Live Science. This concern is based on potentially dangerous and life-threatening risks posed by solar storms. Geomagnetic storm and internet apocalypse. Solar storms can release coronal mass ejections and solar flares, consisting of protons that travel fast to Earth guided by heliospheric magnetic field lines, according to the study. These solar storm particles can cause the so-called geomagnetic storm, which can damage infrastructure, including satellites, power transformers, and radio transmission. Furthermore, there is separate research by Sangeetha Jyothi of the University of California that says solar storms can cause an internet apocalypse. The research shows that the internet apocalypse can occur due to the storm's capability to damage undersea internet cables and leave them disconnected for months. These damages are reportedly possible when CMEs pass through Earth and compress the planet's magnetic shield during a geomagnetic storm. Related article, Solar Storm Warning, Geomagnetic Storm set to impact Earth directly on January 15.